Good morning, traders. Hoping that everybody's doing well today. Let's hop over to the markets and see what we can take advantage of today. How's my sound, guys? Please confirm my sound so I can get started. Let's get on it. Drop some pairs as well and see what you can take advantage of. Awesome, sound is perfect. UCAD, GBP, CHF. What else do you guys have for me? Two more pairs and then let's see what we can do. Euro GBP. Okay. So yesterday we had a pretty interesting day. OrCAD did what it usually does, gave us some wins. I'm not sure how this one played out, but I know it played out on the second trade where it hit 4.5 hour, give or take. And then, yeah, that's how that one played out. Today, just taking a look at it from this point of view, we can really see that there was a bit of a range created, some liquidity created, and then break a structure to the top side, moving all the way. Today, I actually don't see anything that I could take advantage of on the OrCAD. We'll hop over to the daily. Okay, on the daily, we do have something happening. Let me just move these imbalances quickly and see what you can take on the daily. On the daily, we do have something happening. There's a lot of liquidity here as well. So this will be an interesting area to watch out for in the long run. You might want to mark that. And also here. Okay, let's hop over to the 12 hours. Okay. 4 hours. Okay, let me remove these price points here. Don't forget to like the stream, guys. Okay, 4 hour, hop over to the hourly. Yeah, I don't think I'll be taking advantage of this one anytime soon. Yeah, this is one of the pairs that gave us a pretty good move yesterday. This CHF JPY didn't trigger. EJ did not trigger, but I'll be looking at it today. AD CHF did not hit our 50% mark, but eventually tanked. Some people took that. AUD JPY, it went in and tanked from there. So I don't know how many people got this move because it was a very, 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 very massive move. I mean, 20R, give or take. I think this will probably be trade of the week if I'm not mistaken. Euro NZD dropped pretty nicely. Didn't even get into a 50% mark, so could not have triggered, but some did get into that. And then hopping over to what you guys want to look at today. GJ, UCAD, GBP, CHF, Euro, GBP. Let's take a look at the GJ first and see what's happening here. I haven't been getting lucky with this one. Most of the setups I've had have been just getting, like, price doesn't even get to that price point. Okay. I see a range happening here. So I probably want to wait for price to get out of this range and give me a bit of structure to show me what's happening, and then take it from there. But for now, there's not really much happening in the time frames I prefer trading. On the lower time frames, also nothing much happening. But if you take a look at this 15, you can spot this liquidity that's just laying around there. So whatever's going to be happening, we most probably are going to see a liquidity grab. So we could have something along these lines and then tank. But yeah, it's very far-fetched, I might say, but that is what's happening on the lower time frames. Looking beyond these, I wouldn't really consider that, because there is a lot of sells here, a lot of stop losses here at the top, sells here. So this is what a lot of people will be trying to grab. Yeah, but I would not trade it. So I'll just keep an eye on this one. Euro GBP. On the daily, let's see where we are on the daily. We're actually at the low for the year. Heck of a load of imbalances on this way down. But I see it's not retracing how I really would want it to. Okay, so with this Euro GBP, how I'd approach it would be from this angle here. And I'd want it to have, I'm just going to explain it quickly. I'd want to see price break below this first, come back and collect. So that's how I'd approach this. And when you refine it a bit lower, okay, that's still a good tier of area. So we have something along these lines. And remember, you want to see this specific point here first. This is very vital. So you want to see this happen first, because if it does turn now and trigger here, you don't want to take that trade. You want it to drop first, get below this. Even if it turns anywhere in this zone here, it's fine. When it goes back up, you've got your sell stop, and then you should be fine from there. So I'll put an alert. Okay, let me remove the old alerts first. So I'll put an alert somewhere here. And then once you've got that alert there we go. And you've got these price points. But remember, this has to happen first. I have to wait for this confirmation, wait for it to come back up, trigger that in, and tank from there. GBP CHF. Okay, so with this one, let's see what's happening. On the daily, we had this massive move. Okay, let's hop over to the 12-hour and see what's happening. This bullish move is extremely aggressive. Okay. No, this one I would not actually look at. Definitely not look at. Definitely not look at this one. Nope. Okay, UCAD. Let's take a look at the UCAD. It should be the last one for the day that we'll be focused on. Let's hop over to the daily first. Try to take a look at where we are on the daily. Then hop over to the 12-hour. Then 4-hour. This one will probably trigger a couple of days from now, but it is a probable trade. 1 hour. Then we do have something along these lines as well. Just delete that one there. Okay, so would have something along these lines. Then we'd have this setup happening, targeting those ranges over there. And then there we go. So that's how to approach this one. And also bearing in mind that we do have another setup on the 4-hour range. So we'd have something similar to this happening. There we go. So that's how you want to approach the UCAD and see how the market handles it today. And that's about it for the day, guys. Have an awesome day, manage your risk, and you'll be fine. Happy trading, guys. Don't forget to like. Let's grow the channel.